I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law for beginners. First, familiarize yourself with the IRAC method: issue, rule, application, conclusion. This framework is crucial for analyzing legal problems. Next, engage deeply with your assigned readings. Don't just skim. Actively identify the core facts, legal issues, and the court's decision in each case. Finally, begin outlining your course material from day one. This proactive approach helps solidify your understanding and prepares you for exams. Effective reading and note-taking are fundamental to law school success. When briefing cases, focus on distilling the essential legal principles and the court's reasoning. Develop a consistent note-taking system, whether it's digital or handwritten, to organize your thoughts across all subjects. This consistency will save you valuable time later. Additionally, actively annotate your casebooks. Write down questions that arise, summarize key paragraphs, and connect concepts to other readings. This engagement transforms passive reading into active learning. To truly master legal concepts, active engagement is key. Consider joining a study group. Discussing complex topics with peers can offer new perspectives and clarify difficult areas. Regularly practice applying legal rules to hypothetical scenarios. This helps you develop the critical thinking skills needed for exams. After you've created your own comprehensive outlines, review commercial outlines. They can highlight areas you might have missed and provide a different structural approach to the material. Preparing for exams requires strategic effort. Crucially, complete practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. This helps you manage your time effectively and identify areas needing more review. Remember, understanding the underlying legal principles is far more important than rote memorization of rules. Focus on why a rule exists and how it applies. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.